Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, I still think this is either going to end up being an A, B, C correction to the last five waves up and then turning back up like that. Or possibly, if this really is the end of a wave five, then it'll turn into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, going down and taking out the low of wave four. Notice that it's exactly the same pattern until you get to about this point right here, which is why I don't really care whether we label it as an ABC or 1, 2, 3. Going down to the weekly, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3. We don't have a Fibonacci bounce or a break of structure yet, so the trend is definitely still technically up. So we have to keep in mind the trend could continue up actually quite a bit more. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where I think this is an A. To me, this looks like an A, a B, and a C potentially of B. So until we actually get a significant lower high, which this could turn into a significant lower high if this daily candle closes down, or until we get a break of structure, which is what I would prefer, we have to keep in mind that the trend is up and it very easily could continue up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, a lot of the yen pairs look like they're trying to go up again, and this definitely did make three waves down right here. So this potentially could be an A, a B, and a C correction. This could be potentially be like a wave one, a wave two, and this could potentially go up for a wave three. So pay very close attention to your Fibonacci levels for a possible turn to the upside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me this definitely seems like a nice uptrend. Seems like a potential wave one. This move down seems like a potential wave two. So if we bounce off any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels of this last push up with a nice big engulfing move to the upside, which it doesn't have to happen now, it could go down to the 78%. But when it does happen, that would definitely be a long opportunity for me, hopefully for a wave three. Kind of seems like it could turn into a 1, 2, 3 of wave five on the higher time frames. But either way, I mean, if we do get that turn out of fib level, I definitely will take it as a long opportunity. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.